Hi guys, Josh here, 4 years to the day after launching the original Barisieur. Joy Resolve is back on our birthday with our second Kickstarter campaign, introducing the Barisieur Immersion Edition with wireless charging, your personal bedside barista, an automatic tea and coffee brewer with alarm clock functionality. The original Barisieur has quickly become a go-to method for leveling up the mornings of coffee and design lovers alike all over the world. So why update it? As a British company, we thought it was about time we let the tea community join in on the Barisieur experience. We carried forward the features you know and love from the original. A smart induction heater is engineered to deliver 94 degrees Celsius water, ensuring all flavours are fully extracted. The automatic smart mini fridge keeps milk cool 24/7. A storage compartment allows for a week's worth of brews, and the hand-blown, all-glass brewing system. But you can get these with the original Barisieur. We know you're here for the new stuff. After countless design iterations, we landed on the simple brew chamber design, which lets you control the strength of your brew. The specially designed strainer blocks the exit until you lift the tab, releasing the brew directly into your cup. We redesigned the shower head, ensuring an even dispersion of water over the coffee or tea. Machined from a selection of woods and aluminium, our wireless charger complements the Barisieur. The InvisiGrip lining secures your phone and upgrades your charging experience. But don't worry, this isn't just for the morning brew. It's your personal barista wherever you display it. We've also designed a stand for the immersion brewer, so you can enjoy the ritual of manual brewing. With its 3-part design, it's easy to rinse, ready for the next use. We hope you like these refinements and new additions to the Barisieur family. Your support will help with the necessary certifications and final tooling. Our factory is ready and waiting to press go on production. And we are going to try everything we can to get these to you by September. Join the Joy Resolve community now and upgrade your coffee and tea experience. Pledge today.